This is a test of the audio and how it sounds from the Aukey DRA5 dash cam. Check 1 2 3. This is an audio test. This is an audio test of the Aukey DRA5 mini dash cam. This is how it sounds when you're speaking. Thank you. Here are my thoughts on the Aukey DRA5 dash cam. Okay, I've had this dash cam for a couple days now, and here are my thoughts on it. The image quality isn't all that great, in my opinion. Another thing, I had to turn the exposure setting like all the way up in order to see the image, because it was just way too dark, in my opinion. Instead of the camera keeping the settings when you turn it back on the next time, it keeps the exposure setting on the default, the very low setting. It's very dark, as you can see. In order to, have the exposure setting go back to where I set it, I would have to hit just any button like this one, like the setting button, and then hit back, and then it would turn up the exposure to where where I left it the last time. I don't know what that's about. I don't know, maybe it's just this unit. I don't know. Something weird going on. I mean, the camera works fine. It's very reliable, and then I guess for 40 bucks it ain't bad. It does okay during the day. Quality's not that great at night, as can be expected for this price. I don't know, it was like 40 bucks or 45 bucks or whatever it was on Amazon. But it works alright for the price, and seems to be alright. It's decent. It's not gonna blow your mind or anything, but it's decent. Alright, thanks for watching.